What's up, guys? This is Trader back with another live trading session. I'm going to be sitting here waiting on the open, um, enjoying some breakfast, some makeshift breakfast. But yeah, nothing's looking too lively today, especially in the low floats. Atos, I don't really know what the float is on it. I haven't checked. Let me go and check that real quick. Atos has a float of 120 million. EARS ears, Nicholas says. Let's go check that out. Oh, what did it pop for? Publication of data from preclinical studies. Did pop quite a ways. $200 moving average was. Where's my 200 moving average? Hold up. Where is that button? Tab. Okay, there we go. Chart keys. Okay, so SMA is at the 343. Definitely popped over that quite nicely. Nicholas says shows 99 perfect reduction in COVID. All right, so let's read this study real quick. Y'all won't be able to see it, but I can see it on mine. All right, so up to 99% reduction in SARS-CoV-2 viral titer with prophylactic treatment versus controls. Viral titer reduced 12 or 14-fold versus controls when treatment started 24 or 30 H post-infection. Okay, so after they're infected, 20 to 30 hours after they're infected. Okay, so that's pretty much the news. The 99% reduction of COVID-2. Let me go check what ears is looking like in the float. Can ears go on a trip today? 12 million in the float. Okay. Why is it not on my scanner then? Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's got to get strong enough. It's not strong enough yet, though. And it should be coming in momentarily. Should be. Ooh, it's getting a little weak there. It's got to keep pushing. Oh, come on now. Yeah, it's not going to show up on my scanner. Or wait. Yeah, it will. Just not strong enough. Got up there and hit that top and got rejected. Gave a nice topping tail on that 5 minute. Looks kind of scary. All right, let me go ahead and be nibbling. We have about 20 something minutes to the bell. Be nibbling on my blueberries. Good morning, Daniel B. Daniel B, you know what I noticed? You accidentally used my real name yesterday. Accidentally. I know I wasn't purposely. We're watching Ears right now. It got a little bit of good news. It's working on its volatility. Oh, I look like an angel today. What does my picture look like? At the end of the day, when I was going off of the stream, you said, "Take care, Hal." And I was like, "Oh, snap. You thought I missed that." And then you said you were going to cook pasta. There's Ears on the scanner. I'm more focused on Ears right now. SGOC, let's go look at that as well. SGOs. Ears has better news. Mm-hmm. NASDAQ resumed. Yeah. Look at that daily chart on SGOC though. Man. Popped all the way back up here to the 10s at the bottom of this candle. That doesn't look too good. Did Ears just exit the building on me? Got you, Dang B. Ears, we were looking at the news. It has a 99 proficiency rate in clearing up COVID too. Let me look back at it. Yeah, 99% reduction rate of SARS-CoV-2. So that's some okay news. We'll be watching that one probably throughout the day. May get pumped up, but it just seems like pre-market is kind of dead. I wonder were there any bag holders on Ears from back when it went up. Didn't it go up a whole lot at one point? Ran up to the $8. So we got some levels of resistance ahead as well on Ears at the 658. We got some resistance across that 567. And the 477. Or actually, where is it right now? The price is 3. Yeah, 477 is also one. So we got some resistance ahead. 415. Look at all this resistance ahead, man. It's got to really blow through all of this right here. It looks like it had a double top up here, almost 629. Hmm. And it's right down in here somewhere. So it's actually got resistance right there as well at the 76, which we would hope becomes support here. I don't know. It seems like it should be getting more love than it's getting, though. Let's see. Let's see. Nicholas says DTSS doubles pre-market today. I missed it. DTSS. Wow. What in the world? What is this thing? DTSS. Why is it up? Has no wholly owned subsidiary entered into several purchase of distribution agreements and further enhanced 5G messaging product. Okay, let me go and look at that one, DTSS. It's got a very low float. How's it not? Or maybe let's check the volume. Maybe the volume is what is low. Maybe it doesn't have liquidity. Oh, it has liquidity. I don't know why this thing isn't up. Something is keeping it off. Let's go look at the market cap. I do not know why this one isn't on my scanner. It has everything. All right. Nicholas, Daniel says to Nicholas, hi, how can you tell you missed it? Bad thinking habit. Think how you can know it will go like this. You will buy only on reaction, going with the herd. DTSS new contract only worth 200K. Nicholas, those news are there for a purpose, attract buyers when price moves up, but holders, they're selling on the way up. If you buying the stock in the high, somebody must sell to you. Nicholas, what broker are you using, Nicholas? TD? DTSS. That thing really, really went up 100%, and I just don't get it. Why is it not up on my it should be here. Maybe, let me go check Yahoo Finance. Maybe that information is not true. Okay, float. don't know. We'll watch DTSS, but I don't know, man. But it's definitely got to pull back. It's definitely went on a nice little run. Ears doing this thing up here, getting some push down. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just I don't know why this isn't DTSS. What would be causing it not to be there? It's up 105%. Let me do this then. I'll just launch another screener and see if it'll come up. Okay, so it's up over here. Ah, okay. Okay, now I see. Now I see what's wrong. This thing is up only 3% on the day. Looks like percent change. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe I'm just not seeing it. No, I'm just not seeing it. Something in my scanner is wrong. So I could see it on this one that I just pulled up. What the heck? I'm going to clear all. And there it is. Uh, mm-hmm. We got about 5 minutes to the bell, looks like. Where is that? What else is here? Don't really see anything else to put on. All right. Solving problems, solving issues on the fly. Years going on down. Jackson. All right, let's see what Nicholas said that SGOC mooned. Let's see what it did. Yeah, it's not a, I guess you could have bought in this little flat area. I don't know how much volume it was getting down here. Not that much volume coming in. Then all of a sudden, almost 100. But it's whatever. It goes and goes. Ears going on down. Waiting for the pullback on DT. Oh, wow, it already pulled back. Never mind, it's too high. Need that thing to come down a bit. Penny stocks are attractive because they're cheap and most new traders buying them, but they will always lose because new traders don't understand how price, news, and everything else is manipulated. True, true. Yeah, DTSS, I'm going to have to wait for a pullback. It's just too extended. I can't do that. I cannot punish myself like that. OXBR looking trash. All right. It's getting even more extended. Years. Waiting for the fall. All right, DB. Stop coming in here blaspheming, talking about indicators are useless. Oh boy, DB back in here with his doctrine. DTSS still in a relative uptrend, getting a nice pullback. Let's see how far it pulls back off of all these levels. So it had a previous bottom all the way back down here, and then the next one is 589, and it has done no retracement yet. So we have a little bit of support there. We'll see if it's support. DT. Market is about to open. Float is 6.47 on DTSS. 6.47 DTSS. With the shelf registration 2020. Add that to my notes real quick. Float 6.47. They shelf 2020. Okay, save that. All right. So will it go ahead and pull back? It doesn't even matter if it goes right here. I'm not interested. I want those gone. Percent change open. Holy juice. Percent change. Yeah. All right. So we're just watching. Media was one that ran after I went off live. I was trading it, or I was watching it down here. That thing ran up to $18 on Friday. Ridiculous movement. But now, not too interesting. Just watching DTTS or DTSS. Yeah. Just know Daniel B means good and he means well. He really does. But he doesn't understand that people's brains are built different. We're not robots. But Daniel B believes everyone is a robot. He's living in the matrix. So your calculations should be equivalent to his. CTIB squeezing in there. Today. All right. OXBR. Whatever happened to ears? Oh. CTIB. Newage? What's Newage out here doing? Newage going to the moon. Can't buy that one. OXBR, CTIB. A lot of these stocks are getting punished on the open. Nothing really stood up, did it? Let's look at ears. Ears going down there getting bought up. I kind of like ears though, for real. It's just too low right now. It's gonna have to get some fire behind it. RCAT running. RCAT. Looks like it's halted. Is it halted? Yeah. A lot of these looking real questionable. Media. Verb has news. VERB. Okay. Market America Worldwide. Shop.com partners with Verb Technology to launch Shop Live. Okay. What is that float? A little bit higher float. Give you a little choppy ride up. You know what? I don't know why I did that. All right. Verb taking a nice little dump down there. OXBR looking like it wants to follow suit. Ears was, man, Ears was the one that I was really interested in. I thought would hold up. Right down here on the 15. It's holding up that 15. I like Ears, man. They can start holding this level here. 344 support level. I may take a bit. Cause that news, man, the news on Ears was pretty nice. But it is red on the day as well. And it had a lot of resistance in front of it. I mean, a lot. It's going down. This is the 200 moving average at the 330 right there. So that's what it's challenging right now. 343 is the 200 moving average. Maybe it'll bounce off of that. Maybe a spot to enter a little bit. I'm gonna see if it pushes through, if it starts getting bought up here. Up, pushing down. Will it break it? Okay. Holding that level. Come on. Will you break? Was not able to break that, huh? The CTIB. Look at some of these news catalysts. No news on CTIB. OXBR took a nice dip. So yeah, I'm gonna be watching ears, man. I'm really interested in this one. Pushing through that level. Needs to come back and start holding this 348, but looking like it's got a little bit too much motion there. Gotta start holding up that 200 moving average. If it can break that last piece of, let me change this to resistance. Oh yeah, yeah, it is preclinical drug. Yeah. No offense in here. Everybody's got cold, hard hearts in here. DB, One Life, everybody's got bulletproof vest on. So fire away. Offense is necessary for learning. All right. Well, everything has taken the let's see, what all were we watching today? Atos popped up. Then SGOC, which is halted. What else popped up? We had MDIA pop up. DTSS taking a dip. Man, ears hit it hard, man. It just went straight down. I was liking it at first, but it's just spending too much time down here. Needs to get some upward momentum. Form some new lows. Jackson, maybe red to green later. Jackson. There we go. Jackson. What's the news behind it that'll push it? Has a little buzz news. Holding surges on EV deal with China Petrol Technology. China Petrol Technology. Okay. May see a little action from that. What in the world? AgriForce being crazy. Really don't know why this one's doing this. Announces appointment of highly acclaimed accounting and business advisory executive Richard Levichin to board of directors. Not interested. MDIA. Not interested. OXBR. Popped off that bottom. Still not interested. Look at that top and tail on the 15-minute. Nasty. TAOP. Ugh, getting smashed there. Wow. Ears has fully broken the 200 moving average and it's just staying down there. Not even getting bought up off of it. All right. You do you, bro. You do you. TLP. Got to give a pullback. What's the volume on TAOP? TAOP volume looking like around 500. Okay. Media is not giving a pullback. Not too interested in that one. Is that a double top coming or will it blow through that double top? 1030s, double top. A lot of push down. Will it break it? And boom. Boom. There it goes. Broke it by just a little bit. There must be some. Oh, okay. Let's continue to push. Okay. We'll watch it. TLP taking a dip. Media giving a pullback with a topping tail on the 5 and the 15. Wow. Got bought back out of that one and then immediately pushed down. I don't like any of that action. Media is not looking good. All right. Last known bottom is the 875 down here. Support. CTIB getting some action, but it has a nasty, nasty trend against it. Way away from the pre-market highs. Good morning, Tony. Tony, dad of cuatro. This time I realized what it said. We're sitting here watching. Pre-market was kind of slow this morning, and now things are kind of choppy. So we're waiting for something to become obvious, a obvious stock on the day. That thing's getting some major push down. Those pops and locks, we do not want our money in there while it's doing that. It's trying to hold up that 25. CTIB struggling. What does this thing want to do? Wow. Oh well. Did not set up in what I look for, so but it is becoming the obvious stock, so maybe it'll give the setup a little bit later. Ooh, $11 hit. That's a whole dollar level. Should see some rejection up there. Ooh, straight through it. Is that halted? If it is, I guess media will be the obvious stock. We'll see what happens out of the halt. Don't want to get hurt out here. Media halted at the time of 9:51:15, so it should be opening up at 9:56:15. We'll be watching it to come out of that halt. It's got pretty good volume for the its float is 2 million, so it's cycled through its float twice. Oh my goodness, ears just continues to dive. I'm so glad I didn't get into that. Oh boy. So yeah, this will be the one I'm waiting on. Still need to see a pullback. I'm not satisfied with the movements that it's given with no pullback, so I don't want to get hurt out here in media because I know people want to take profit. Yeah, the market has been super weird, but I've been having consecutive green days, so it's been weird, but I've been taking profit. Trying not to mess up my consecutive green day streak. All right, so let's see. MDIA 56. Got a couple of minutes left on that one. Before it pops open, I'm gonna go to use the restroom. I don't like trading halt stocks, having a pee. All right. There's the open, looking for the pullback. If it doesn't give it, I can't do anything with it. There it goes. Need a pullback. Need another pullback because that one's not the one I'm looking for. I want to see you pull back. I want to see you pull back. So the bottom of this candle looks to be the 1150s. Let's see how it does up here above the 1150s. Wow. Just put the line in there and it wants to shatter it. Okay. All right, holding up the 1150s right there. Gonna see the action. Ooh, back down to the halt level. Trying to hold up the 1129 right there. Just not getting it. So this is why I wanted to see a pullback here. It was getting up, but look at it. It's drowning everyone. So yeah, dodged that bullet. Praise the Lord. Looks like it's halted going down. Yep. Did anybody get into that one? Anybody get into that one? Because if you did, you got baptized by fire. unless you were quick enough to take on those upward pops. And I already knew I wasn't gonna be, so why risk it on that one? Got up here, hit this resistance of the 1221 looks like. Right through there. 1221 and got knocked down. I don't even think that's highs really, because it had a super level of resistance right there. You're right. You're right. You're right. I got faith in you guys. No one would take that trade. WHLM. What is this thing? Why is it up? Up for no reason. Large topping tail there. Nothing really becoming obvious here. Oh. Hey man, we talk real talk in here, bro. Real talk. There's no bullying. Bullying is just a word constructed for criticism. Don't bully me. Okay. All right. Back up here to MD. I want to see how low this thing is going to open up. I kind of didn't. I saw this pattern going down and I saw how it was rising. I was like, you know, for this thing to pass all of these levels of resistance up here, that would be quite a feat. 1224 crash down. You have to Daniel B, from the throne that you sit on, I know that that was a lie. Tell you, man, Daniel B, If any of y'all ever need help, Daniel B is the one to ask. He's got he's got everything. He's all knowing, all seeing. He has his own Bible. I mean, no better person to go to, man. WHLM did halt to the upside for no reason. I'm gonna watch that one fail as well. Literally has no news or no reason to be up. Let me go and look these two up as well while I'm waiting. MDIA has a float of MDIA has a float of 1.61 million, which is probably why people were willing to trade it there, because it's such a low float. Somebody got paid. So yeah, about 2 million in the float. With no shelf registration. 2 mil, no shelf. Then the other one is WHLM. Float is 1.17 million. Finviz says float is 3.60 million, but I think I'm gonna trust Yahoo a little bit more on this one. WHLM. No shelf registrations on it either. So I just put in the notes 1 to 3 million or 1 to 4 million, and then no shelf. We will see. What time did the MDIA halt? MDIA halted at the 57.48. Resumption time should be the 10:02:48. Wait, am I looking at the right thing? No. And then WHLM halted at 10:01:02, so it should be opening up at 10:06:02. Let me refresh this page. Something's wrong. Nope, nothing's wrong. Did media open yet? Media did open from that bottom. Super pullback there. See what kind of action. Usually they bounce like this anyway. Large top and tail on the 15-minute. Just have to see how that plays out. WHLM. So yeah, a lot of this is just seeing how it plays out. You never know. WHLM does have a very low volume though, in comparison. Breaking down at 11. Does not look like it wants to hold. Looks like it wants to go looks like it wants to go and test the bottom of the ocean. See, it has a bottom there. Can it hold up the 925? Can it hold up the 1036, I mean? $10.36. I don't really care where WHLM opens up. I want to see it get some more volume in there. It's very light for that move. Opened up at the same level and dropped. All right. There is no for WHLM. I don't think there was a catalyst. It just says going into halts. That's it. Halted on Nasdaq trade halt, volatility trading pause. That's it. It's only news. They're just trading because it's low float. That's it. I'm good. I dodged that one. Yeah, they're literally just trading because it's 1 million in the float, 1 to 4 million. But it hasn't given me my setup, so I don't really care. Yep, that's exactly what they want. Want to trap us in there. Look at them pushing that thing down. There it goes. Is the dump coming? Nice top and tail on the 5 minute. I feel a dump. Uh-oh. All right, let's go and check out MDIA. Trying to hold up here. I don't think MDIA had any good news either. Well, they had a little bit. Buzz news. Had a little bit, but it is a better setup than WH whatever. That low volume. Let's see if it can crack down the 40s. Can it break down the 40s here? See the 35s on the bid? Well, it's already to the 35s now. So it did break the 40s. How far can you break down? Trying to hold those 40s. A lot of pushing there. There it goes. Broke the wall. All right, so it's going to be swimming with the fishes. Last known bottom was the 869. But in this setup, I wouldn't even be thinking about entering this one as a long. Literally has no did it just go into another hall? Oh, okay. It's like, what? Yeah, I wouldn't even be thinking about that. Not a good setup. Two long topping tails there. Can it hold up the 974? Or will it break it down? 974 right there. All right, WHLM. Like I said, this one's just getting traded because it's low float. It may actually go up again because it's low float. You know, people just buy. Somebody's putting out a news article right now. Hey guys, there's a 1 million float out there. WHLM, go and buy, don't sell. Ben actually sent me some articles of the Reddit or the Wall Street bets or whatever they are. Some of the articles that their customers or whatever are putting out. Bro, they hate them so much. They hate them so much. You're like, I'm still losing money. It's amazing. They're still trying to pump GameStop and AMC. This is what I said. People are just buying this one. It's no reasoning. has not given me my setup yet. Retail traders are 95% stupid. Now this is going to be a shorter stream today. I do have to actually get to work today. But usually like Tuesdays and Thursdays usually are good streaming days for me. But I wanted to see if I could come out, make some money, maybe in pre-market or something. Didn't. So we'll just see. You're part of the 95%. It's okay. Trust me, you hang around, you'll know like what to look for. Especially with Daniel B in here. WHLM taking a dive off the scanner. MDIA. Wow. It's okay. I can always let this $1,700 roll over till tomorrow. It's whatever. I'm okay with walking away at zero. Because everything looks like it's got a knife in its neck. Oh boy. Mm. Does anybody else see anything that looks good today? Or is today just a dead day on the week? Or a dead morning on the week? It is not looking good. Wow. I was looking at ears pre-market. Me and Nicholas were looking at this and look at it. Just dove on that news, that COVID-2 preclinical news. Amazing short. M Media looking like it wants to push through that level that I marked. The bottom of this 975 level. Will it do it? Bouncing off of that level right there. I believe it's going to break it though. 975 support. I really believe this thing's going to crack that. It's got too much downward potential. I said we were watching it, just watching it because it just popped up out of nowhere. And I mean, it wasn't like we bought it. I don't know if Nicholas bought it, but I know I didn't. I just looked at it. I was like, oh, okay. Why do I feel like this thing is gonna go down, man? It's like a big fake. Oh, you just spicy today? Cool, cool. Get you some guacamole with your spicy queso to cool you down. Tony said that he's reading, researching, learning companies before I buy shares. Also learning to use screeners, understanding charts, stuff like that. One life. Nice, nice. We're getting a nice little dip there. Hold on. What in the world? WHLM being sporadic has not set up in what I like to see yet. So I'm not still not interested. But we can watch it fail. Getting absolutely murdered here. How far will it drop? Mm, okay. What's the daily resistance levels on this? Got a resistance level up here that it bounced off of and got rejected. Daily resistance here. It almost looked like it gap filled right there again, right here to this level of the 683. So a lot of resistance ahead and no reason to go up. MTSL looking kind of trash. WH is forming a pennant here. So if I put the trend in here, oh, it already broke the pennant. Never mind. It already broke it into another halt. So this is another one coming. All right. Yep. Maybe it'll fail again. Oops. Whoa. Whoa. I didn't mean to do that. Maybe it'll fail again. What I was going to do, it was forming a pennant here, which is kind of like a pattern where it has a kind of a bottom angle, and then it has a top angle. Like down maybe this way. And it's just got to choose a direction, and it chose. Or actually the people that's just buying chose. we will wait and see what happens out of this one. Again, WHLM halted at the 1020.37 for no reason. We'll be opening up at the 1025.37 for no reason. DIA came down to this level again. Crazy thing is this thing isn't moving on a lot of volume with WHM or WHLM. The volume on that one was 131,000 shares. So the last one was 500, 500, 800. It hasn't even reached a million yet. Shares traded on it. It's got plenty of resistance in front of it. Look at all that. Let's go ahead and mark some new resistance levels as well. Got a little bit of resistance here, 807. Pretty much the $8 level. All right. Maybe some resistance right there at the 737. But I don't know. I feel it's going to get destroyed with all this resistance up here. And no reason to be up. We will see. Again, I will be waiting on the pullback just like last time. Not trying to get destroyed. Man, I don't know. 100 shares is... I didn't trust it enough to do one share. So, because I was kind of scared of it with the way that it's moving and it was popping and locking on this candle. But we will see. It is the most obvious stock on the day. Opening up at the 25.37. I'm looking for a higher open with a dip possibility. Not really looking for a lot. Taking a lot of shares here because it is at the highs. But definitely did not trust that. Yeah. All right, 25.37 coming up here. We got about 30 seconds left. We'll see what it wants to do. Wait till Guru hears from me later. Hey man, keep it spicy, bro. Let's see what happens. All right. 37 seconds, 7 seconds left. Getting ready for the open. There's the open. Ooh, that was a big move up. Jesus. Ugh. I don't like that at all. Nope. I will keep my life and my soul in my chest. I'm good. Nope. I don't even care, bro. Baptism by fire right there. You wasn't even able to take your shares unless you put a limit order out there. Did you put a limit order out there, One Life? Hopefully you did. There's no way. Wait for this candle to close. That was a huge move up and then down. Top side of the 758. It's got too much work to do. I don't trust it. I'm gonna let this candle close up. That was just too much right there. Too much for my little heart to take. It's not giving me my setup, so hands off. Man, you might as well go ahead and take all, bro. This thing ain't looking too good, man. I just see my soul is safe right now. Uh-uh. I don't know, bro. Hopefully you took. It's just so wishy-washy. Where does it want to go? Does it want to dive? Does it want to go up? This is insanity. Yeah. Last known bottom is down here at the 587. Put that as a support. Trying to hold up this top side of the 675. I would like to see it break that. This is the resistance. I think it's going to break that 75, get below. Well, I tell you what, they're not letting this one drop, are they? Because I know One Life dumped his shares on somebody. I already know. But it's definitely holding this little range here. Okay, getting under the 60s. Will it go under the 65s? Retesting the 75, failing. 71s. Yeah, I'm not interested in that. That's some crazy movement right there. If you were able to take profit, congratulations, but congratulations. Look at the volume, man. The volume. This thing is so red, but the volume is green. Will this be a sporadic stop? Holding up that 7. I'm going to let this candle close. Don't want to get suckered in here. Okay. Next candle. Still has not given any pullbacks. People are just buying here. I'm okay with that. I'm good. Into a halt right there. Yeah, they definitely pushed it up, One Life. They definitely pushed it up right there. All right, another waiting game. WHLM to open at the. Let me refresh this page. The 3520. The 3520. I just can't trust this move, man. Yeah. I guess it was a good trade, man. You took 100 shares and got it out of there, but with no reason to go up. That was a faithful trade. But it looks like the retail buyers are on this one. It's up 50%. Let's look at what resistance that is close to here. So it pushed through one of the resistance levels, 2, 3, 4. Insanity. Yeah, this is not the kind of stock that I like to trade. Yeah, but it worked out. You know, the market does pay stupid. I called that pennant and I said, hey, it's got to make a decision where to go. And it just, man, it made that decision and ripped. So from the 617 up to the 748 was the rip. Yeah, I'm just going to let it, just going to have to let this one go. Man, I sat here and you know what? I wanted a better setup. That's really what I wanted. And I guess no trade is the best trade, especially if you don't want to enter when you're uncomfortable. So I just had to abide by that rule. SGOC. It also went into a halt, pushing up there. That topping tail on the 15 minutes, things are about to go down. All right, let's go and watch this one come out of this halt. WHLM 3520 is the spot coming out. Ooh, that's a big wick down. Ooh, oh boy. Will it baptize them? So this is the pullback that I was waiting for. Oh, let's try to play some dips. See how far it can dip down. Come on, give us more of a dip. Not really enough. Looking for an explosive dip. This stock is stupid. I'm getting in small for the little run up. Bottom side of this low is the 694. I'm okay with getting out there. This stock is stupid. I don't understand the movement, but I'll take the profit. Can we get the 80s here? Nice. Taking some profit. Whoops. About to say taking some profit. Did not take profit. Can we get those 90s up there? Now taking profit. Yeah. Taking more. Probably about to run into a struggle point, so I need to be exiting under that. Oh, I guess it's going to continue. Scalpers are in this one. Yep. 802s. Wow. Wow, I should have went in a little bit more, but okay. Scalp game. Taking right there. I can always re-enter. I literally play small because it's just an unpredictable stock. It's not trying to get killed there. That was 35 cents in the profit. I went ahead and got rid of it. I feel that selling is coming. $96. Back in. Looking for that push to the 25. If we can get it. Since it's such an unpredictable stock. 25s, taking profit right off the top, taking profit, taking all off right there, getting a little bit weak at that 25 level. Just playing small ball, scalping the tops. Got a little weak at the top. I went ahead and got out, looking for the big pullback to give us better entries. Okay, now people are just buying. I don't even know what to do now. They're just buying to be buying. So I'm looking for it to crush everybody here. As long as it stays below that 25, we're good. There we go. Back to the 8. Can we break the 8? Yes. All right, we'll wait for pullbacks here. I just literally small ball those trades right there. 35 cents in the profit down to 5 cents. So all green trades, but just a little payment because I do not trust this stock. Yeah, that's why I'm taking so quick. It's no point to hold this. It's at the top. It's like sitting at the top with a ninja sword, just slicing. I'm waiting for the pullback now, though. I just got the very tip top, but I believe the mountain is about to fall. Can we get some dip buys down here? Quick dip buys. Come on now, give us our red. Chill. Come on. Give us big red. We want to see big red. Big red. Bigger red. We want to see you kill people. Let's see the death of the longs. Come on. Big red. Well, it's not giving it to us. Come on. Come on. You got it in you. You got it in you. Break that 50. I don't know. Look at this foolishness. Look at this foolishness. There's no way I'm buying back into this. Even for a scalp, I'm good. This is too much insanity right here. This thing should have dropped. Look at this. Look, are y'all seeing this? I hate this stock. This is an insane stock. I'm glad I'm out of it. Yep. This is not normal. This is manipulation. This is not normal movement. There's no way I'm scalping any of that. Waiting for the pullback. This is not normal movement in a stock. With the pattern that it has formed, this is not normal movement. So it breaks down to 30, then we know it's headed down. Trying to get back above the 50s. Wow. Struggling on the 50s, getting knocked down there. Back under the 30s, needs to hold under the 30s to be going down. 57 needs to hold under those 30s. People taking profit, people still buying. Under the 30s is what we're looking for a downwards movement. The 30s, I believe, is the top of this candle. Nope, that's the 36, 35. So 35 is the break that we're looking for. There we go. There we go. All right. So I'm waiting for a pullback, up 71%. This thing is just insane. We may have to play the backside, is what it's looking like, because the front side looks like it's worn out. I play very small on those positions. GBS popping in there. What is GBS doing? News on the day. GBS jumps on Australian grant to manufacture biosensor technology. Okay. Got to get some more volume behind you. This one's still up here trying to hold up the 50s. Please break the 8. Please, for the love of God, break the 8. Looking for dips. I'm looking for a big dip. I'm looking for destruction. This one has 15 seconds left on this candle. Are you serious, bro? Get under the 30. Oh my gosh. Red has to be coming on this candle. Gotta be. Oh my God. Now, there's the profit takers. Let's get this big dip I've been waiting on. Let's go. Kill them all. Yeet. Come on. Get that big dip. I want to see a big dip. Big red. Where those sellers at? Splash them. Come on. Not getting that splash, but it's okay. No, I'm not farmer military. I did martial arts for a long time. Long time. But no military. I trained with some military guys. Man, this thing does not want to drop through the bottom. Where is the needs to break down? Okay, it's finally breaking down a little bit. Come on, give us a big break. Come on. Come on. It's gotta have more than that in there. Break that 8. There we go. Come on, break all of it. And come on, give us some more of a break. No, it's not enough. You got to be aggressive. More of a push down. I want to see the 80s break. Yeah, 85, 80s, 75. Keep going. Keep going. You got it in you. I want to see this break. This bottom here is the low of the 65. Can we get that break of the 65? Break 65. This candle's got what, 2 minutes left on it? Looking for that snap through 65. And come on. 67s. Inching down there. Not really wanting to go. There, 65. Break that 65 heavy. Bounced off the 65. That's not a good sign for a dip buy. All right. I need a little bit more selling on this one. Didn't get it. Yep. Didn't get it at all. Oh well. I just wait for a better entry then, since it wants to hold up. Two minutes left on this candle. You're a 36-degree Shaolin master. Oh my goodness. This man said a 36-degree Shaolin master. You know what? I believe you, Daniel B. I believe you. I believe that you went through the crucial, brutal training of the Shaolin Temple. You learned how to do a handstand on your head without hands. Learn how to, what's that other technique they use? The hot sand grip with the fire barrels. Put fire under a barrel of sand, it gets hot. You gotta stick your hand in there and like retrieve items. What's the other one they have? Of course, hiking. Hike for miles. Running for miles. Then you specialize in at least 2 weapons, but you can get more. So, yeah, you're a master, you know. I feel that. Of course, you must know the Buddhist Psalms, those their scriptures and all that. Master. WHLM getting down there. GBS. All right. Nice little movement here. Not breaking VWAP there. I don't know what it wants to do, man. Can it start to hold this level again? 7-6. Wow, it is holding. I'm gonna play small ball here again. If it breaks at 75, starts to hold on the bid, I play small ball here. 75s. Can we see the 75s? Don't see the 70s at all. 72s, 3s. 73s again. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. It's just kind of struggling around that 75, so I'm gonna wait. Monks are listening to Metallica. Master of the Puppet is their favorite song. Okay, it is holding up that 75 there. Go ahead and take a little bit there for a move, just a little move back up. Let's see how much it can give me. Can we get back and test that 8 real quick? Bottom of this low is the 752. Break of the 60, I'm out. Gets too close to that 60, boy. I'm gonna hit it. Added a little bit there. 10 shares in. Looking for a little movement up. The low is the 52, 750s, 749. I'll be out here. Go ahead and put that out there. If it wants to snap down, you can go ahead and do what it does. 80s, 90s, nice. Looking for some unusual movement. Can we get back up to that $8? 8. There we go. Nice little pop there. Okay. Up 58 cents, 70 cents. Nice. Let's see if it can hold that. $0.50. The high of this candle was the 839. So I'm gonna go ahead and take looking to take some profit here. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Let's see if we can get the 50s back up there. Taking profit there. Nice. $1. I don't know if we can get the explode. Wow. That was a dip. Taking profit. Taking profit up here. Looking for it to continue moving higher. If it can't, taking. 5 shares left. Looking for it to move higher, moving down, taking. Holding 4 shares left. Just hold it. 879. What was the top side of this? High of the 880s. Oh, that was quick. I'm gonna take a little bit there. Not really trusting it. Already up at the highs. Taking there on that weakness. Holding 2. Any red, I'm out. That's how I'm feeling today. Any red, I'm out. Any red. Out. All right, that was a nice little shave off of that one. Top was 99 cent, a 99-cent take right there. 99. Nice. All right. So I did get on out of that one. Looking for the pullback again. Or maybe some small ball entries here above the 75. I like it. Back in right there. Looking for that push to the 9. Looking for it to get that 90 up there. If it can get that 90, that'll be great. Any red, I got to get out. Right there. Got out right there. That's the second time they've shown me red on this candle. So losing my faith there. Let's see if we can get some dip buys here. Can we get a major drop? I mean major. I want to see it drop and take souls here. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Give me that drop out of here. I think that was one red trade that I took on that small share size. Yeah. One red trade, 19 cents. All right. Give us that dip. Come on, get faded. Looks like it needs to hold up that 39, stay above the 40s to continue. See if it can hold the 40s. 40s on the bid. Can we see the 51 start to hold? If it breaks into the 39s, that's not a good sign. 30s, ugh. That was a pop down to the 30s right there. Not a good sign. Can it hold out of the 40s? Looking heavy. All right, well, at least I took some profit today using very little money. $8.30s. Okay, can we get this massive drop here? The thing that's messing it up is this indecision candle. They don't know which way they want to go. Can we get this drop? That's what I'm looking for, that drop. Come on. Give us the drop. This one's got 30 seconds left on this candle, or just about. Can we hold the 50? If it goes green, I may go ahead and take for a higher move. 56, not showing us green here. Nope. It's just testing the 30s too much. 15 seconds left on this candle. Can we get down through those 30s and get us a drop here? Back up, 50s. Closing this candle in 3 seconds. All right, I'm good. I don't want this one. We'll let it, I'm gonna let this one close. I don't like this candle. Nope. Look at this. Are you serious? I'm gonna let it pull back. It can go without me if it wants to. I'm gonna wait. This extension. Ooh, maybe this will be the dip. Come on, baby. Dip, dip, dip. Let's go. More. Give us more. 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 Let's go. Come on, baby. Dip, 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 dip. I want more. I'm looking for like a 20 cent, 30 cent dip. I'm looking for a big dip. Especially in comparison to these bars. Let's see, this dip was from the 879, 883 down to the 7. So it's a dollar dip. Yeah, we need some bigger dips here. Come on and dip. Come on, baby. Give it to us. Oh. Yes, okay. Looking like it's getting a little weighted. I see gravity coming into effect, but it needs to do it on this candle. Because if it consolidates and then moves down, I don't want to get in on that one. That one's going to be a nightmare. But it does have 4 minutes left. Oh, let's go. Getting close. Come on, baby. You got it. Will we get this dip opportunity? Not looking likely. I'm gonna close the stream down at 11:30. That's I gotta get going, but thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button. We'll be back tomorrow morning. Maybe I have a little bit more time to trade. We'll see. Looking for this huge dip here. Slowing down a little bit too much. Not enough momentum behind it. Even if it does drop, it's not enough momentum now. Two minutes left on this candle. At least I got enough for lunch, I believe. All right, DB. Have a good one, man. I'm going to try to stay green on the day and not make any mistakes. Yeah. Hmm. So I believe we're playing the backside of the move now. Um, we're going to see if it'll give us another opportunity. If not, it's okay. Opening a new candle here, and this is what I didn't want. If this one dips, I'm not taking it. It's on the Wafu popping up here. Let's see. Wafu. Oh, we remember Wafu. Wafu is one of those stocks that went to the moon, I believe. Yeah, it went up there to like 20 bucks. What's the news on it? Who's pumping this one? Wafu Education Group. Not real news. Let me go and see if it still has a shelf on it. Shelf registration for this year. So yeah. Yep. Okay, what are we looking at? What are we looking like over here? This is what I wanted to see. Okay, good. I'm going to let this candle close up. I don't know how high it wants to go, but I don't think it's going to do another move like this. I want to see it get shorted into real quick. I want to see it pull back. All right. Can we get back over the 50s? Going under the 40s, 30s. I'm gonna let this candle close. Doesn't look good on the 15-minute. Needs to get back up here to the 846. 844, 45. Barely got there to the 846 and got rejected. Want to see it get on through there. Getting hammered. Will it break the 30s? Looking like it wants to break the 30s. Will it break the 25s? 25. Yep, cracked the 25, so that's a bad sign. It did bounce off of it, but now it's retesting the 25. Okay. Not looking too good here. One minute left on this candle. A lot of selling pressure coming in, pushing it down here. And this is not what you want to be buying a dip on. This setup here is not good. This is straight short power here. Okay, will it fail VWAP? A lot of buyers here at VWAP, but they don't understand it's about to go down for real. Look at the buying pressure here in comparison to the last selling bar. Really, really low buying there. High there was the 841. Buyers coming in there. Was that a double top? High of the 60. Yeah, double top right there. Definitely not a good sign. Let's see, the 60, so 861 would be a break of that. 861 be a break of that double top. Can it do it? I'm gonna go ahead and try for it. If it snatches me down, it's all good. I want to see a break of that double top. If it can't, I'm still safe. Okay. 861, 825 will be the out. If it does get me in, I'll be ready to sell right at the 825. Got up there and failed. It's got to break it. Can it be a sporadic stock? 825 will be going in as my out. Getting pushed down. Waiting. Still safe up there. Was looking for the break of that double top. It did not happen. There's a lot of buying pressure, but no movement up. So will it break down to 20s as well? If it breaks down to 20s, I'm going to go ahead and pull that order off of there. Looking for it to break down to 20s. Okay. Looks like it's coming back up, so we'll be ready to get out at the 24 here. Not able to get back into the 40s. Still not able to break. I'll be out at the 24 down here if it wants to snap down. Got out right there. I meant to cancel that order on that. I wanted that to happen on this bar. It did not, but it's all good. Can we hold the 50s? This is the beginning of this candle, so I'm gonna let it play a little bit. Threw that wick up there and got me in on that little run right there. But it's all good. We'll see if the buyers want to come back in and push us up through the 50s. '50s there. Can we hold the 50s on the bid? So like it's forming that pennant again that it formed that first time right there, but this time on the 15-minute. Well, yep. Let's see if it'll go. Getting shorted into right there. Entering in a little bit more right there for this pop. If we can get it into the 80s, we'll be out on the bottom. What is this bottom? 820. $820 out point. Can we get that push? Wow, shorts are heavy right there. Can we get this push here to the 9? 75 is what we need to see. There we go. Nice little push. Can we get the 9 up there, the 90s? You're ready to look to take profit. Coming up to a whole dollar level. Okay, it's moving a little slow up here. Should have pushed out by now. Taking profit up here. 7 shares left. Should have pushed there. Just peeling profit off here. Getting down. Just don't see it. Shouldn't be taking this long. 5 shares left. Can we get into the 90s? There's 90s, 911. Taking some profit up there up top. Yeah. Back under the 9s. Can we hold the 9s? Not seeing it. 907 right there. Taking at the 10. It's 10-cent move up. Back under the 9s, I'm out. Okay, 916. Cool. Can we keep going? 48 cents. Nice. Don't like to see it slipping here. Come on. Continue to push. Get some more buyers in there. All right, taking right there at the 910. 1 share left. I feel a snatch coming. 53 cents. Okay, nice. 25s. 30s. 60 cents. Okay, can we push on up, or is that it? Can we get the 36 back below the 30s? I'm gonna go ahead and take there. Looking for another entry above the 30s. Not seeing it. Breaking down. Well, it's 10.19. Took a couple of more green trades, but small trades. Can we hold up to 25? Ooh, I don't like that it opened up another candle though. Let's see where this dips to. Give us a nice dip. Test the 9s would be nice. Testing the 9s right there. Got through the 9s. Can we continue to dip? Okay, so I'm starting to like this one a little bit. Like it pulling back up. Can it hold the 905s here? 905s on the bid. Not seeing the 905s yet. There we go. Enter. Oh, wow, that went down quick. I hit it right on it. Hold up the 905s is what we're looking for. Getting in a little bit more there. New bottom is this low of the 890s. 890, 889. 899, I'll have to get on down. Got my out already ready to go. Can it get bought up? The top side of this is the high of the 938. Need to see the 20s, 25s. Okay. Coming on down. It's going to stop me out here. If it can't hold that 9, I'm out. Nine 12s. Can we get the 15s back up there? Nobody buying around the 15s or over the 10s, really, on the bid. It's about to drop. Get me out. Looking like it was going to drop. Getting back up there to the 10s. Can we see the 10s on the bid, though? That's the problem. No buyers coming in at the 10s. 6s. Another pop. Just waiting. Can we get over the 10s again? Looking for those 15s to hold up. 15s. Let's see if we can get going again. Take a little bit more profit today. Come on. All right, 9-10s is going to have to be my out spot. 909. Because it's looking crazy. It needs to go ahead and do what it's going to do and stop breaking down. 909. See, it's already breaking. 905 then. 905s. Can we get bought up? Yeah. It's coming down. It's going to stop me. I'm not even going to worry about moving it. Coming down, looking like it wants to stop me. If it can't get over the 9-10s, it's definitely up. That was a quite nice dive down there. 1024 did take a little. I got out before it. Let me see how much I actually did. It get me on slippage. 45 cents on 10 shares. That's okay. Whatever. All right, I'm gonna close it down today. It's a very small green day. I'm gonna let the rest of this 1200 come over to tomorrow, and let's go ahead and go over the realized gains and losses. So the top pool was 99 cents in the profit. We had a couple of losing trades. These 3 losing trades, just, you know, buying high. Probably should have got out around my entry on this one, but I held it a little bit longer just to see if it can push up. But it's all good. Small share size today. Tomorrow we'll be back at it again. Looking like it wants to continue. Oh, it's halted going down. Anyway, not in that. USEG popping up there as well. Don't really know what that's talking about. Oil prices fall as economic worries offset tightening supplies. Okay. All right. Well, that is it. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll be back tomorrow. Today, small green day. Really didn't see anything that I really wanted to put a lot of money in. Of course, WHLM did not have any news. We're just trading patterns. But anyway, if you're going to continue trading, be careful. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.